Hello friends, I am Gautam Kumar Singh. I am here to welcome you all on my new YouTube channel that is Inspirational IS. Here I am going to share some of my important strategy and my experiences, past experiences of the UPSC prelims examination. As we all know
Life
that
is a
for the
beautiful
prelims
journey.
exams
Please
for
stay, follow
2021
your
that is going to
passion.
be held on 27th of June this year, a very few time, or almost you can say you have just 75 odd days in your hand. So what efforts should be taken by you to make these 75 days a really a turning point in your life? For this you have to make sure that your revision plan should be properly followed, so that whatever you have studied for the last 1 years or couple of years, you should put your effort in the right channel and just give a proper direction and say to your revision strategy. So I'm here to discuss the revision timetable strategy. Give at least 15 days for your Indian history. History means all section: Indian, ancient history, medieval history, modern history, even post-independence you have to also study, and art and culture, because from history you are going to at least encounter 20 questions, and in these 20 questions, if you have revised it properly, you are definitely going to make almost 15 to 18 questions sure. After revising history for 15 days, next 10 days for your geography plan, Indian geography. From this you also going to encounter at least 10 to 15 questions, anything between 10 to 15. After revising geography for 10 days, just give another 10 days for your Indian economy. Here you are also going to encounter almost 20 questions. Next 15 days, please revise it Indian polity and your economic survey of India and budget. This will definitely going to give another 15 questions. And 5 days give for science and tech, and 5 days at least you should give for environment and ecology. So this is my almost 2 months strategy for your revision for your core subject. From here you are getting 70 to 80 questions, and that 70 to 80 questions is going to be a crucial part. So what next in June? This is my plan to till just this plan will be completed around 5th of June. So what in next 20 odd days in June, from 5th to 27th, in 10 odd days you have to solve last 10 years of previous years UPSC pre-questions. Practice it, try to get your answers, try to break your head to find the answers, and you don't have to rely on any of the sources which are available in the market for the answer key of last 10 year questions. Just go to the official website of UPSC, download the questions, and also download the official answer key of UPSC, because in most of the books published, so-called important coaching institutions also get the books published for the last 10 or 15 or 20 years UPSC prelims questions. But in these books you are going to find a lot of error, especially on sometimes if the answer is B, it is printed there D. So sometimes you can say a silly mistakes or a printing error is there, and sometimes even the answer there given is not correct up to the UPSC standards. So almost in every 10 years questions I have found, in every set of 100 questions there are 5 to 8 error are there. So don't try to follow the answer of that. Okay, for the answer you have to strictly follow the UPSC official answer. And in last 10 years whatever you get, practice or revise your test series. Test series is also very crucial. Without revising your test series, you are not going to get the overview or overall idea of the current affairs that had happened in the last 1 year. So test series will definitely giving a an edge over the current affairs revision in quick time, as well as some of the conceptual based and the facts based questions of your static core subject, which I have talked earlier. And if you revise all these, this will take at least 10 hours a day. Okay, and if you put your efforts 10 hours a day for the last 75 days, I'm sure, and you will definitely, after studying hard and just proper following a proper strategy on a well organized manner, you are definitely going to get a good confidence while entering in the UPSC examination. And from there, if you have inner strength, inner confidence in you, then nobody is going to stop clearing this examination. Because if you have studied, if you have revised well, and if you have a good confidence, you will definitely going to crack this exam. So all the best for the prelims, and revise it. And if you find anything or any studying related issues, kindly comment on the link of the video in the description box. I will be happy to help or share my experiences with you. Thank you. Keep liking my initiative and keep studying hard. Thank you.